In this video we will show different object import and data collection options. We are going to show how to import tracks. In this example, we are using .gpx file format. To start, we need to locate objects list under which we will find additional options. Click on the gear icon. From the list, select Import Objects from File, then click on the Open File button, choose File from your computer and click Open. After opening the file, you will be presented with a list of coordinates. To confirm this selection, scroll down and click Import. Now we will be sent back to Map Objects. We can add description to the route, change the name, color, opacity, and width of the track. We can add a starting point for the track by clicking on Add Point. Also, we can write a little description and add a picture of the track. Now let's import a track from previously created Navicup map. Just go to Subcategory Settings and select Import Objects from Other Map. You will be presented with maps that you administrate. In our case, we want to download data from Curacao Town Tour. You can choose which objects you would like to import or leave aside. Now you can click on Import. After we are happy with the selection, we can click OK. The imported objects can be seen on the left-hand side list and on the map below. We can also create objects and tracks with our mobile phones via Navicup app. Also, we can let app users to make suggestions on adding objects to the map. First, let's find the map to which we want to add the point on the upper right corner. Let's press the button with a plus sign on it. A window opens up and now we can enter object's name and our email address. We also have to select the category and take a picture of the object. After that, we can send the data and get confirmation from the system. People can add data and pictures through their browsers. To create a public form, click on Embed and Share button. After that, select Public Object Registration Form. We will see web address which we can share. Also, we can copy a frame to embed the form to our web page. Currently we are choosing a frame. The address will be copied to your clipboard. We have to open up our web page editor, in this case WordPress. Just paste your selection and upload content. Your frame is now ready to be used. Like we used mobile phone to add object, we need to provide similar information to public form. The only difference is that we have to zoom on the map for the object's exact location. Since we do not have GPS signal, you have to zoom in as long as the crosshair turns green. After that, fill in the required fields, upload a photo of the object and press a button below to send it for a review by map administration. Follow these simple steps to accept an object sent to you either from the mobile app or public form. You can see points sent for review on your left-hand side just under the objects list. Just press on the object and it will pop right up for adding any other additional information or a different marker. After doing so, just press Activate Review Point and the object will be put on the map.